Hello guys, welcome to Sarai's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make chicken porridge.
So here we have one rotisserie chicken shredded. You can just use the breast part of the chicken. A cup and a half of cooked white rice. 1 lime cut into wedges. A handful of cilantro chopped. 4 cloves of garlic minced. Salted soybeans. You can find this at the Asian store. Olive oil. Granulated bouillon, chicken flavor, soy sauce, white vinegar, and sugar.
So I'm gonna put soy sauce and half tablespoon of soy sauce.
Fill it up. Keep going. Keep going until it gets to the top. That's good, that's good, that's good.
Oops. Then we pour it in the bowl. Then you put 4 teaspoons with sugar and vinegar. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's put 4 teaspoons of vinegar. 1. I don't want to spill it, so I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4.
So here we have a pot that's 9 inches in diameter. We're gonna turn the heat on to medium. Pour in some olive oil. This is a teaspoon of olive oil. Let's try 1 more teaspoon. Okay, that's good. Now add the garlic. Just bring the whole plate over here, Sarai. Be careful, don't touch the pot. Put the whole thing in. Put all the garlic in. Actually, let's try medium low heat so it doesn't burn too fast. All done? Okay. Now take the spatula.
This?
Yeah. And stir the garlic. You want to stir it until it's golden brown. It might take a minute or 2. I'm gonna turn the heat back up to medium so it'll cook faster.
So now we have our cooked garlic. And we have 7 cups of water.
So we're gonna turn the heat on to high and just let the water boil.
So the water is boiling and we're gonna add chicken bouillon,
5 teaspoons of chicken granulated bouillon, the fried garlic. This is what we fried earlier. The shredded chicken. And the mixture from the bowl that we prepared earlier.
So we're gonna add rice in here. And then we're gonna mix it. Let's add more, I think.
Let me help you out. Hold the bowl.
We have to hold the whole
No,
thing.
just hold the bowl.
Okay.
Okay, the whole thing. So this is a cup and a half of rice, and now stir it.
Wait.
Stir it.
Okay. Like this. Okay. Like this.
You're doing great.
I'm trying not to burn myself, so I'm doing this to my arm.
Just let it cook for about maybe 3 minutes, and you don't have to constantly stir. You just stir, for a few seconds just to mix all the ingredients together.
So here's our bowl of chicken porridge. We're gonna add cilantro in here. Hope this is not too much. Is this enough? Then we take 1 lime and then squeeze it in. Then we add salted soybeans. This much. Then we stir it.
That's good, right?
I'm gonna stir some more to make sure it looks good.